Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is for my fellow hooded eye people. I had done my eyeliner a certain way maybe a month ago, and you guys were very curious about it. And some of you thought that I did like one of those stamping things. And the shape of the eyeliner was definitely a topic of conversation. So it is called the Batwing eyeliner or the hooded eyeliner. It's a very unique eyeliner shape, and not everybody's going to have the same shape. So let me start off by saying that my shape is going to be different from your shape depending on your eye shape. This eye and this eye don't even match. So keep that in mind. Basically, we are going to get a unique shape depending on how the fold of the eye falls. Now, I learned this technique from Katie Jane Hughes. If you are on Instagram, I highly encourage you to follow her. She's amazing. And the dog is barking. Katie Jane Hughes, she's amazing, an amazing, talented makeup artist. And she has hooded eyes. So she embraces it. She really embraces, like, you know what, I have a hooded eye. Let me work. Like, let me make it work for me. That being said, too, I remember when I was freelancing a lot, I would do makeup on like mature skin. And I remember having to do a wing liner. And basically what happens with this particular eyeliner is it's going to look like a winged eyeliner if I'm looking at you straight ahead like this. But the second I look down, it's not like a straight, like if you see a winged eyeliner, it tends to go up and then it continues. If I look down, it's like cut. And I remember doing makeup on this one woman who wanted an eyeliner. And like I did it. And when she looked at me, it looked perfect. And the second she looked down, I was like, oh my God. I must have been like 20, I was like 22. I was still new. And I was like, this isn't right. Oh my God. And I like drove myself crazy, and then I connected it and I ruined it. And then somebody came to help me because I had to go to another artist, and I'm like, I'm having trouble. It's not coming out right. And I don't remember what they did, but now it makes sense to me years later. And now as I've gotten a little bit older, my eyes, like they're kind of drooping a little bit. So I have to adjust my eyeliner as well. So when I saw her talk about it, it made me not ashamed of my like hooded eyes. I'm sorry, I know I'm like rambling a little bit, but basically my eyes are starting to get hooded, and I thought to myself too, like, damn, I can't even do like a nice wing eyeliner. It's never gonna come out nice. And she changed the perspective for me, and I like this technique and I want to share it with you guys. So let's get started. I would recommend a liquid eyeliner. So whether you're comfortable with a pen, with like a brush tip, or one of these liquid eyeliners. This one that I'm going to use today is from Honest Beauty. It's really good. It's a matte black. So if you're on the hunt for a matte black eyeliner, this is it. And it's very black. So I'm going to get a little bit closer so you guys can be all up in my face and see my lines and everything. But here's my eye. Here is where like it's starting to droop down. Same thing. This one's not as droopy as this one. This one's my more hooded eye, I guess. So I'm going to show you with that one, which is nice because it's on my right side and it's easier to work with. So I'm going to shake my eyeliner and I'm going to open it. I'm going to clean it off though. I don't want too much because we're going to make the shape first. So I'm going to come in. Basically with this eyeliner or any winged eyeliner, you want it, so this is your bottom line. Basically, you want this line, it's like an imaginary line to continue. So now this is what I realized. So I'm about to hit that fold. It's easier for me to go from up to down versus this way up, because then it kind of lifts the fold and then it gets messy. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to, you see my little fold is here? I'm going to go right above it and I'm going to pull. just like that. Now, this is where the folding part comes in. I'm going to take my eyeliner, the point, and I'm going to take it across down, and I'm going to go over that other fold. So watch closely. See that? Where I went across? Now if I look down, you see how it's not connected? Do not connect it. Now I'm going to look up. See, I'm looking in a mirror to the side here, just so you guys can kind of see what's going on. Now you're going to fill in that line. Do not connect it. And just fill it in. Take your time with it too. Don't rush it. At least until you get the hang of it. Now, you see if I look down, you see how you have that little like line like that? That's the part you don't want to connect. If you connect it, it's going to look very wonky. But if I look straight at you, you see how it looks, the line continues on like straight? Do the rest of your eyeliner. And again, whenever you're doing your eyeliner, you have to look straight into a mirror. So like I'm turned, but I'm looking straight into a mirror. I cannot emphasize how much you have to be looking eye level straight into a mirror. All right. So I'm just going to continue, and I'm going to go to the like inner part and do the rest of my eye. If you notice, I'm doing like almost like little dashes, and then I'm going to connect it through. Nobody ever really gets it like the first time. Unless you wear eyeliner every day and you've mastered it, then you probably do connect it each time you do it. I don't, so. So there you go. That's the Batwing eyeliner. So if I look straight at you, again, and I mentioned this before, if I look straight at you, boom, straight eyeliner, you would never even know that I have a hooded eye. But the second I look down, you see that it kind of goes like that. And that's where like the little Batwing comes in. So now you see this eye. Now I'm gonna get up close and I'm gonna show you how I do this eye, but you're gonna see that there's a different shape, okay? All right, this eye came out thicker than the other eye. So now I gotta even myself out. But you could see that if I look down, this shape is different from this one. Now, after you've done this, you want to take your time and you want to clean up certain areas. So like I can see by looking straight, this one's going up a little bit higher than this one. So I'm going to quickly even that out. Just like that. So now I have a nice Batwing cat eyeliner for my hooded eyes. So there you go. That's how I did it. And like I said, if you look down, you get that unique shape. And like I said, everybody's shape is going to be different. This one's not perfect, and it's not going to be perfect because this eye just like, it just sits different. That's the beauty of having a hooded eye. You know, we can't look at it as a negative thing, even though a lot of people used to say, no, if you have a hooded eye, you can't do a wing liner. Like, yes, you can do a wing eyeliner. That's it. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything, please feel free to leave them down below. I'm happy to hear from you guys, happy to help. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.